Hi guys, this is Miss Jess from the Pequannock Library, and today we're going to be making edible slime for our Science from Home. So you're going to need some oil, some cornstarch, some marshmallows, and some food dye. As you can tell, I chose green and once again forgot my gloves, so please remember your gloves or don't use the food coloring. So what I did was I put the marshmallows, the 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into the bowl. So let's go to the microwave and see how it came out. Okay, so here we have a bunch of marshmallows going in. And then, okay, so here's our marshmallows and our 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And now, I'm going to put it in the microwave. Goodbye. 30 seconds while that's going. So when you heat up a marshmallow, you heat up the molecules in the water that is contained within the marshmallow. These molecules move farther apart. This gives us the squishiness that we're looking for to mix up for your Rice Krispie squares or our slime. The added oil does assist in the pliability and general non-drying of the material. Oh, here we go. Oh yes, those expanded rather nicely. Okay, so I've added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm trying to mix it one-handed. So when you add the cornstarch, it's a natural thickener. You make a thick, stretchy substance, which is known as the Great Marshmallow Slime. So I'm gonna finish mixing this up, and then we'll see how it comes out. Okay, now we're gonna add some food coloring. I'm doing green, very festive. Okay, I'm gonna mix it in. It's actually, once you let it cool, make sure you let it cool. Have a grown-up check first. You can start to mush it with your hands. So I'm gonna do that. Oops, forgot to wear my gloves. All right, I'll get right back to you. And there we have it. Yes, please wear gloves if you're going to be doing the food coloring. It's more of like a putty, but it makes a fun kind of squishy noise when you're mushing it. It's very gooey and sticky. I think I would add less cornstarch just because it made it really goopy. Okay, so I'm back. That was a messy disaster, which makes it fun. So I think that maybe I put too much cornstarch in because it's very, very like putty-like. It's still kind of fun to play with, and you can eat it. I'll show you. Ta-da! So it's very chewy. It tastes like marshmallows. Also, I used kind of stale marshmallows, so that might have been another reason why it's a little kind of sticky and more like putty, stretchy. I mean, it's still fun to play with. Whee! So, tips for the project: 1, wear gloves if you're going to be using your food coloring. 2, definitely new marshmallows, fresh marshmallows, not marshmallows that you found in your cabinet that are probably from like last year that were sort of kind of, whoa, that hurt. Ow. Sort of kind of soft, but not really. Less cornstarch, and just play around with it, you know? Try different amounts of the ingredients and different colors, And it is edible, but I would not suggest just eating the whole thing. I think you'd probably get a tummy ache. So yeah, that's my, it's still fun. It's kind of like a Play-Doh putty almost. Anyway, that's the science project, and I'll just go over the science one more time with you guys. My handy dandy cheat sheet here. Okay, so we put the marshmallows in the microwave. So it heats up the molecules in water, or the oil in this case. And the molecules move further apart. It gives them kind of like a squishiness. The oil does make it more pliable, so maybe more oil would help. Then we added the cornstarch, which is a natural thickener, which makes it thick and stretchy, which leads me to believe we added too much cornstarch because it is extremely thick and stretchy. And like it's cooling down now, so it hardens. That means that the molecules are moving closer together again. So unfortunately, the slime isn't gonna last very long. But go for it. Have fun, stay clean. Adult supervision required. And have a great day.